want to make money, you can't do it by doing the exact same thing everybody else is doing. You need to look at things from new angles. And that's why we're investing in first-time fund managers, because they're finding very interesting niches and they're taking outside bets very early, very decisively in things that are not on most people's radars.
We also know that the global economy will twofold until 2050, and there's a 500 trillion market opportunity at the same time. But the question is, where do we need to invest and how can we identify best opportunities out there?
What are you doing with your money? Do not let preconceived ideas and notions that are planted into our mind lead your portfolio construction.
If you think about all these businesses on the right-hand side, what most people forget is that they started as small businesses.
Dear allocators, I think one thing to bear in mind, when you make these allocation decisions, you really need to get the experts into the room.
We see, of course, now a lot of more industry-specific know-how, right? The difference is you have people allocating funds that really know the industry they're in. And I don't want to step on anybody's toes, but it's not just consultants anymore.
I had to re-educate my board on what the games industry was and how it functions. And I felt like that can't be all I get from a VC. That can't be all I get from that partner on the board. Switching to the venture side, I realized for myself, like I can bring so much more. As a founder, there's going to be a lot of people that appreciate that somebody can actually spar your idea, actually share stuff with you that informs you in much more profound ways than just to look at your balance sheet.
Many of the people that we invest in have very similar stories. All of them have extensive investment track record. All of them have been operators. All of them are extremely authentic in what they're doing. When they walk into a room, you know who they are.
I think of my job as a solo GP is to find the right set of investments for my LPs with a goal of making money, but at the same time with a very strong horizontal focus around bottom-up go-to-market. That's what I'm best at, that's what I'm known for, and that's what I can help companies do.
What is venture for, really? Venture is to explore possibilities that are uncertain about the future that we want to build for ourselves and our children.
We want to tackle the key challenges of our time, whether it is energy, AI, resilience, reindustrialization. We need radical innovation, and the only vehicle to trigger radical innovation is venture capital.
So many opportunities in the world to go and make a dent, and it's a matter of having the right investor with the right background in order to be able to go identify those opportunities. So I'm pretty bullish on the idea that emerging managers are a really good steward of capital in order to be able to go and make some of that impact.
It's fantastic when smart and bright people come together, and I think the mixture between entrepreneurs, emerging fund managers and solo GPs, the established GPs, but also the corporates is a great mixture, and it is a very promising event.
From India over Africa, from space technology to longevity, there was something for everyone.